Okay, so what's working now to get listings? Hey, it's Todd Walters with Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, and we wanted to invite you to a very, very important mastermind, and very exclusive too, specifically on what is working right now to get listings. So you can join me and a panel of multimillionaire real estate agents and deep dive into exactly what that is. We'll be covering things like how to guarantee the sale of a home and get 10 times more listings. For example, your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. That unique selling proposition allowed me to go from, quite frankly, broke and homeless, and I ain't kidding, to multimillionaire agent within a short period of time. And how about this? We'll be diving into systems like how to deliver multiple cash offers, multiple, not one, but multiple cash offers to a homeowner up front before ever listing their home and guarantee 100% of market value, or we'll pay them the difference. That system is working amazing. And that might very well be the best grand slam offer in the marketplace today. I want you to imagine this. Imagine, and you'll see this on the Zoom meeting on this mastermind that we're doing. For example, being able to run around town, literally run around town and tell homeowners, hey, homeowners, I can get you multiple cash offers on your home today and guarantee 100% of market value, or I'll pay you the difference. And if your home doesn't sell, I'll just buy the thing. Okay, now, that's really tough to beat in the marketplace. Those are what we call grand slam offers and systems. We'll be deep diving into other things too, like leading edge technology that you should be using so you can get your life back. That was one of the top 4 things I learned from my mentors way early on that allowed me to basically get my life back and sell more homes than ever. I mean, like 500 homes a year before there was freaking Facebook. And Google for that matter. So if I can do it, you can do it too. But it all starts with generating an overflow of business. Let me pause there. If you want to grow your real estate business into an actual business, who is it? Is it Michael Gerber? I think Michael Gerber in his book, The E-Myth, he said, look, if your real estate business depends on you, you don't have a real estate business, you have a job. So we all want a business that can kind of work independently without our constant involvement in the sales process. But in order to achieve that, you know what I discovered? You got to have an overflow of it. So jump on the mastermind. This is an exclusive mastermind for real estate agents, real estate professionals, broker owners even, that are in the top 5% of income earners in the marketplace. Okay, that's who this is for. And it's for those who really want to scale up and reach their God-given potential in this amazing industry that we're all in. Okay, so I hope you'll join us on that mastermind on what's working now to get listings. After all, tell me if you think I'm wrong, but I believe that's the ultimate customer, buyers with a house to sell, right? And imagine your phone ringing, texting, people emailing and messaging you saying, hey, can you sell my house? Will you come sell my home and help me buy another one? You know, every real estate agent dreams about having those things. Every real estate broker would love for them and their agents to have that kind of steady stream going on. Well, guess what? There are people doing it. You're going to see and hear from them on this Zoom meeting, okay, this mastermind that we're putting on. And I hope you'll join us for what's working now to get listings. I'm going to say it one more time and summarize. We're deep diving into grand slam offers and systems that attract sellers like crazy. Okay. Check this out. We will not be talking about cold calling. There's not going to be any discussion about any door knocking. There's not going to be discussion about buying leads, buying internet leads at all, or begging for referrals. There won't be any talk about any of that stuff. This is about you owning your own marketing system. That's what we do. We own our own marketing platform, and it leverages direct response marketing, and it attracts sellers like crazy. It's backed up by a really good brand too, so that helps obviously. So why don't you jump on the mastermind with me and this panel of millionaire real estate agents, and we'll just drill down and discuss and share what's working now to get listings. Okay, and some of those amazing systems that I just mentioned to you. How to guarantee the sale of a home, get 10 times more sellers calling you. Hey, seller, we get you multiple cash offers on your home today. No need to list. You know, we'll guarantee 100% of market value. If your home does so, we'll buy the thing. Whew, those are really good Grand Slam offers. How does all that work? And then what do you do with the overflow of customers? Okay, well, you know what to do. You leverage the overflow to build and scale up into your super profitable sales team, and even an amazing brokerage for that matter, if that's what you have or what you want. But it starts with that. In order to grow your business, you got to have an overflow of it. And if you're going to do that, why not have your ideal, most exciting, best customer that you want to have? Okay? Buyers with a house to sell. All right. So what's working now to get listings? Mastermind. Hope you'll join us. Until then, you go serve big. Thanks now.